In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently renew your hosting plan on Hostinger using two simple methods. We'll walk through each method step by step, ensuring you have a clear understanding of the process and can choose the option that best suits your needs. Let's get started. To begin, head over to Hostinger's website. Once you're there, sign in to your hPanel using your credentials. For those of you unfamiliar, hPanel is Hostinger's user-friendly control panel, designed to help you manage your hosting services effortlessly. Our first option takes us through billing and subscriptions. Once logged in, navigate over to the billing section, which you'll find in the main menu. Under this category, you'll see an option for subscriptions. Click on this, and you'll be presented with a list of your active subscriptions. Here, you want to look for your current hosting plan. It should stand out as it will show as active. Next to your active plan, you'll find a button labeled Renew Now. Click this to proceed. Now, it's time to select the renewal period that suits you best. Hostinger offers various terms, so consider how long you want to extend your hosting services. After choosing the term that fits your needs, follow the prompted steps to complete the payment. It's as straightforward as that. If you'd prefer a different route, our second method involves renewing through the Websites section. Begin by clicking on Websites in the hPanel menu. Here, you'll see a list of all your sites associated with your account. Find the site you wish to renew and click on the Manage button, which is conveniently located next to it. This will bring up a new management interface for your website. Look to the left sidebar, and you'll see a Renew option. Clicking on this will guide you through selecting your renewal term. Pick a term that aligns with your plans for your website. Once chosen, you can proceed to the Payment section to finalize your renewal. By following either of these two methods, you can easily renew your hosting with Hostinger. The process is designed to be smooth and user-friendly, ensuring your website remains active with minimal interruptions. Remember, whether you prefer managing subscriptions directly or handling it through your website's management area, Hostinger has made it convenient for you. Thank you for stopping by to learn about renewing your hosting plan with Hostinger. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more helpful videos. We look forward to assisting you on your web hosting journey. See you next time.